Implementing Windows Local Administrator Password Solution, LAPS, using Intune. Windows LAPS, Local Administrator Password Solution, allows for the automatic management of local administrator passwords on devices. This increases security by ensuring that local admin passwords are unique and regularly rotated. With Microsoft Intune, you can configure LAPS across your managed Windows 11 devices. Step-by-step tutorial 1. Open Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Explanation. Microsoft Intune is used to manage policies and configurations for devices in your environment. To configure LAPS, you will start here. Steps. 1. Navigate to the Microsoft Intune Admin Center, ats.endpoint.microsoft.com/ to sign in using your administrator credentials. 2. Create an account protection policy. Explanation. An account protection policy is used to manage local admin accounts and configure LAPS settings. Steps. 1. In the Intune portal, go to Endpoint Security Account Protection. 2. Select Create Policy. 3. Choose Windows 10 and later as the platform. 4. Under Profile, select Local Administrator Password Solution, LAPS. 3. Configure LAPS settings. Explanation. These settings control the behavior of LAPS, such as how often the local admin password is rotated and where the passwords are stored. Steps. 1. Set the backup directory to either Azure AD or your preferred directory. 2. Specify the password rotation interval, which determines how often the password is changed. 3. Define additional settings like password complexity and expiration options. 4. Assign the policy to devices. Explanation. To apply the LAPS policy, you need to assign it to the relevant device groups. Steps. 1. In the Assignments tab, select the groups or devices to which the policy should apply. 2. Review and save the policy. 5. Monitor policy deployment. Explanation. After assigning the policy, it's important to monitor its deployment and ensure it's working as expected. Steps. 1. In the Intune Admin Center, navigate to Reports, Endpoint Security. 2. Review the status of the LAPS policy deployment and verify that it is successfully applied to all target devices. By following these steps, you will successfully implement Windows LAPS using Microsoft Intune, enhancing the security of local administrator accounts across your organization.